Hello, I am Ms. Rikita from JBCN School, Borivali, and she is
Avni from Somaya School.
Here we had attended a session on rubric, and let's see what we learned today. We first started with the icebreakers, passing on the energy along with lovely icebreakers.
And we also had experiences like experiential learning where ma'am explained us of how we can use real life with the application in the teaching, and it really helped. The kind of examples she gave us, we can actually use it in our day-to-day teaching classes.
And when she explained that, we started implementing along with our groups. We also started connecting and making rubrics.
It worked for us is when we were put into these groups, the collaboration with different schools also helped us in brainstorming, bringing out ideas. It really helped us in thinking beyond what we do, because generally when we work within our working circles, we all tend to think on same lines, but when we work with other schools, it's like we get ideas of how they work, how we work, and we learn different things from each other.
And not just that, lastly, while doing the lesson planning, we also started integrating our values, patriotism, diversity and whatnot. It was a great session overall. Thank you so much.